In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an opportunity stage in Salesforce. This can be pretty useful when you're looking to streamline your sales process or simply tidy up unwanted stages that no longer fit your current workflow. Let's dive right into it, step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into Salesforce. Once you're in, take a moment to glance towards the top right corner of your screen, and you'll spot a gear icon. This is your access point to the setup options you'll be needing. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Setup. This action will open up a new panel, offering you a plethora of administrative tools to work with. Now that you're in the Setup area, you'll need to utilize the Quick Find box, a handy search bar that helps you swiftly locate the settings or tools you need. In this instance, type in Sales Processes. What this does is filter the options, making it easier for you to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Once you've found it, select Sales Processes from the shortlist provided. At this stage, you'll be staring at a comprehensive list of the sales processes that your organization is currently using. Your next step is to locate and open the sales process you are working with. Think of sales processes as templates that define which stages are available for opportunities. Once you open the relevant sales process, you're getting closer to achieving your goal. With the sales process now open before you, direct your focus to the Selected Values box. This area displays a list of all the active stages assigned to the process in question. You can think of this as a quick snapshot of the stages your team currently uses to track opportunity progression. Identify the stage you believe is outdated or no longer necessary for your sales process. When you've found the stage that needs to go, click on it once to select it. Keep an eye out for the left arrow, the one that looks like it's pointing backwards or to the left. By clicking this left arrow, you'll remove the selected stage from your list of active stages. Yet, don't just stop there. Your final important task is to ensure that your changes don't go to waste. Look for the Save button, which is typically located towards either the top or bottom of the window, and click on it. This essential step will save your updated sales process, now minus the unnecessary stage. And that's it. A simple yet effective method for removing an opportunity stage in Salesforce. This process can greatly assist in maintaining efficiency within your sales team, ensuring that every opportunity stage you use aligns with your current sales objectives. With these instructions, you should now be able to customize your processes with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.